Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of AutoCAD and TurboCAD. In order to do so, here we are at autodesk.com. This is where you can find AutoCAD. And as you can see, you're looking at about a $240 per month subscription for an annual subscription. For a monthly subscription, you're looking at $360. That's Canadian. So keep in mind that is how much you're going to be paying for AutoCAD right off the bat. If we take a look at TurboCAD, then you can see that we are looking at something that is much more affordable. Looks like here $100 essentially for the designer version, and for the deluxe version you're looking at $350. So let's go ahead and let's learn more about this, because I just want to confirm that this is a one-time charge and not a subscription, and that does appear to be the case. You're looking at a one-time charge with TurboCAD compared to AutoCAD, where you're looking at a monthly subscription of $360. So that's nothing to sneeze at. That is a significant difference there. So depending on what your needs are, you might want to consider one or the other based on pricing. But let's go ahead and check in with Cider AI. Cider is a fantastic extension that allows you to ask questions of some of the top AI models available so that you can find the answers you're looking for. According to Cider, here's a comparison between AutoCAD and TurboCAD, two popular CAD software options. AutoCAD is developed by Autodesk. It is the industry standard for CAD software, widely used for 2D drafting and 3D modeling across various industries like architecture, engineering, construction, and manufacturing. TurboCAD, on the other hand, is designed by IMSI Design, and it's aimed at both professional users and hobbyists, offering 2D drafting and 3D modeling at a more affordable price point. AutoCAD has a polished modern interface. It is highly customizable, but it can have a steep learning curve, especially for beginners. TurboCAD, on the other hand, is somewhat simpler and more straightforward, but can feel a bit dated. It's easier for beginners to get started with basic CAD work, however. AutoCAD has extensive tools for 2D drafting and 3D modeling. It supports advanced customization with scripts and APIs, strong industry standard file compatibility, and integrated cloud capabilities and collaboration tools. TurboCAD has a good range of 2D and 3D tools, but fewer advanced features compared to AutoCAD. It supports many file formats, though sometimes with minor compatibility quirks. It offers a powerful parametric and direct modeling combo, and some versions target mechanical and architectural design. AutoCAD is generally fast and stable, optimized for heavy-duty professional use. TurboCAD's performance is decent, but may lag with large or complex projects compared to AutoCAD. For the pricing, as we already saw, it is subscription-based for AutoCAD and is generally more expensive, aiming at professional users and company. I would say significantly more expensive. TurboCAD, on the other hand, is a one-time purchase or has cheaper subscription plans, more budget-friendly for small businesses or hobbyists. For community and support, AutoCAD has extensive global user community, vast online services, resources, tutorials, and professional support. TurboCAD is smaller but has a dedicated user base with forums and official support, although fewer resources compared to AutoCAD. AutoCAD is best for professionals who need comprehensive CAD tools, great interoperability, and industry standard software, whereas TurboCAD is better for small businesses, hobbyists, or professionals who need solid CAD features but have budget constraints. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in using Cider AI, take a look at the link in the description. There you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cider. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're looking for an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the referral link in the link tree, you'll get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Win-win situation for everyone. Simply Financial, highly recommended.